when the human body is seated. Turn the knob forward to start women's washing, which defaults to mobile cleaning. Turn the knob forward again. The spray rod will be fixed in position for cleaning. Press knob to stop. Turn the knob backwards, start hip washing, which defaults to mobile cleaning. Turn the knob backwards again. The spray rod will be fixed in position for cleaning. Press knob to stop. Press knob to activate drying function. Press knob again to end drying function. When the body is off the seat, turn the knob backwards to activate self-cleaning, which lasts for 1 minute. If you want to stop, you can only press knob again.